Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to edit a group of contacts in Grigora Mail. If you need to update a group name or manage its members, you can do so easily. First, log in to your Grigora Mail account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Contact section from the left sidebar. On Contacts pages, switch to the Groups tab to see all your created contact groups. Locate the group you want to modify. Click on the three dots icon associated with that group and select Edit. This will open the group settings. Here, you can rename the group if needed. You can also manage the members in this group. To remove a member, simply find their name in the list and click the minus sign next to it. To add a new member, look for the contact in the list on the right side and click the Add button next to their name. Once you have made your updates, click Save Changes to apply them. And that's how you edit a group of contacts in Grigora Mail. See you in the next one!